What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the Thai Life. Today I am going to share with you 5 easy steps to a good nail consultation to help you and your client connect from the beginning of the service to the end of the service. A nail consultation is so important because that is the beginning of you and your client building that relationship so that she knows who you are and you know what she likes, and then you're able to produce it for her. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Min Thai. I am a nail technician, 15 plus years, and I also build my own salon from ground up, and all I want to do is share with you all my knowledge, all my experience so that you can become an amazing nail tech. What is a nail consultation? A nail consultation is so important. It is the beginning of what you do with your clients when you are starting your service. It's where you get to know the clients, it's where you get to understand what they want, and it's where you're going to get a chance to express who you are as a nail tech and really come to an agreement to what the clients and you going to do for their service. But I tell you what, a lot of nail technicians fall off the wagon when it comes to nail consultation. A lot of times what I see is, come on down, what do you want? This is what you want, and they just go at it. There's no connection. And I tell you what, if you really want to build that clientele, loyal clientele, you got to connect with your client. And the best way to connect with them is from the start. And I am so excited to share with you what that 5 steps is. But before I do, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notification on all my latest contents that I produce on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's go ahead and begin. Our step 1 for our nail consultation is you got to greet the clients properly. Not like, hey, I'm ready for you, come on down. Don't do that to yourself. That is very low and mediocre. You want to take it to the next level is, hi, how are you? Are you Kathleen? My name is Min. I'm going to be your nail tech. I'm going to help you out. Please have a seat right there. Just imagine how you greeted them. You got to put your mind in a client's mindset. Imagine before they came to see you. They have seen hundreds of nail tech out there. But why are they not with that nail tech? It's because they did not deliver what the clients want. But here they are in front of you. You have to take that for real, and you really have to make sure you give them your best personality, customer service as a nail artist. So you greet them properly, they come in, you sit them there. Here comes steps number 2. Step number 2 is you have to ask them what they want. You cannot just blindly assume what they want. More likely when you ask them what they want, you care about what they want. They're going to tell you what they want from you. So they're going to come out with some pictures, ideas, design. Listen to them. Show them that you are caring about what their needs are and what they really want on their nails. Once you're able to show that caring, they're excited. They're like, oh, this is what I really want, blah, blah, blah. And look, the 3rd step is so important. And I tell you what, the 3rd step of the consultation is going to be where you're going to deliver who you are as a nail technician. Because after she have already tell you what she wants on her nail, you're going to take that opportunity to share with her what you know, how you're going to do it, and how you're going to give her a beautiful set. And throughout this process right here of step 3, you're going to educate the client. Oh, this is the kind of powder that I am using. This is the kind of monomers that I'm using. This is the polish design we're going to pick. When you explain to her all the steps that you're going to do for her, just imagine how comfortable she is. Just imagine how happy she is. The fact that you're explaining to her what you're going to do. Can you imagine all the experiences that she already had? They just rush through her. They just don't want to take care of her. And here you are taking your time to explain yourself what you're going to do for her. So step 3 is so important because by that time, she's already sold. She's going to hook on you. She's already know that you're smart. You know what you're doing. So the step number 4 is very simple. It's rather she's going to agree with you or not. And more likely, after you finish up step 3, she's definitely going to agree with you what you're going to produce for her. She's excited. She is super ready. And here comes step 5. And I tell you what, step 5 is so important. But before I share with y'all about step 5, if you are already finding value in this video, please like the video, share the video to someone that you know love and going to love hearing this. Please subscribe to the channel so you can get notification on my latest contents when I give it to you on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So step number 5 is the most important step that I find a lot of nail tech never execute. And it is so sad, because if you don't execute step 5 nicely and perfectly, you're not going to connect with the clients all the way to the end of the service. And that step 5 is you have to let the clients know how much that set, that nail set that you're going to do for them is going to cost them. Because if you explain to them how you're going to do it, they love what they hear, but you don't tell them the price, and you have to find out at the end of the service that that's how much it costs, you might lose the connection of the client because they didn't expect all that. Imagine this. Imagine the last 100 nails that she have gone is less than 60 bucks. And when you are about to give her the set of her life and you know it's going to be expensive, let her know the price. Because if you do not let her know the price and you thinking, oh, she's loving everything I'm saying and I'm about to hook her up, and then at the end and she didn't expect that set to be $100 plus, she's gonna be sad, but she won't tell you, and you might never ever see her again because of that step number 5 where you did not tell her the price. You have to tell her the price, okay? And I kid you not, I see throughout my career so many nail tech. They start out such a good consultation, but they never tell the client how much the set was going to be. And because of that, they lost the vibe, the connection of building that loyal clientele. So don't make that mistake. So remember, greet your client nicely, ask them what they want, market yourself, tell them that what you're able to do for them and how you're going to do it. Make sure they agree to what you're about to do. And remember, tell them the price. And if you do all that 5 steps in your nail consultation, and the consultation should last you maximum is 10 minutes, you are already going to build a good connection with your clients that you're going to keep forever, and she's going to support you throughout your career. And if you find value in this video, make sure to like, share, and please subscribe. And if you really want to know what 3 mistakes that nail techs make that really ends their career, watch this video so that you don't make the same mistake. I'll see you next time.